Ma, open up! Please, please!
What is it? What's going on?
It's right behind me. Just let me in now.
Oh my, hold on, hurry!
Go!
A tiger just escaped from the zoo. Early this morning, people heard loud roars, and when the keepers ran over, they saw the tiger had broken out of the cage. The metal gate was bent open like it was made of paper, and the tiger just walked out into the open path. Some workers followed from a safe distance while calling animal control. Everyone at the zoo was panicking, and visitors ran for the exits. The tiger then walked out the parking lot and followed someone that had tried to escape in their car. He followed him all the way home, and when the guy found out, he was panicking and begging his mom to open the door, but it was too late and the guy had to just make a run for it. Like and follow, so you're never chased by a tiger.